5 Best Robot Vacuum for Tile Floors Reviews. Number 1. iRobot Roomba 650 Robot Vacuum. iRobot company is world famous for making home cleaning robot. Also, this iRobot Roomba 650 Robot Vacuum is the primary addition of Roomba family. But the 650 makes up by the lack of raw power. Enhanced over preceding generations, the unique brush design allows the 650 to clean up dirt from any tile floors. Now I am discussing about the special feature of this vacuum. This vacuum cleaner functioned by adapt navigation, so it gets full set of sensors to navigate and adjust to your changing house. 3-step full cleaning system increases the power of brushes and suctions of tile floors. Suitably clean your house floor and very easy to function it. Just push the clean button and see the magic. This vacuum cleaner automatically regulates to all types of floor like carpet, tile, hardwood, laminate and many more. Number 2. Noato Botvac Connected Wi-Fi Enabled Robot Vacuum, compatible with Alexa. In modern time, robot vacuum cleaners are making special role in home cleaning sector. Nowadays we all are looking for that kind of electric device which has network connectivity and associated application software. Even after considering all of this requirement, I choose this robot vacuum cleaner which has all facilities. Now have a close look of this vacuum cleaning machine's special feature which will give you a little spark. This vacuum cleaner have very easy control panel. By clicking start button run this machine and also have menu button to choose your cleaning plan. You can also control this machine by using mobile phone. Eco and Turbo mode is another great function of this vacuum cleaner. Eco mode will give you an environment-friendly cleaning and Turbo mode will give you strong suction power. Number 3. iLife A4's Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If your house is full with kids and pets, then you can use this iLife A4's Tile Floor Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Beside, you may not found so much different things from other robot vacuum cleaner, but iLife company tried to give their best. Now I am going to discuss special parts of this robot vacuum cleaner. At first, you need to press the multi-function switch on the A4's body or push the clean switch on the remote control. Again, the second option to run robot, you need to put a scheduled time for it. Then it automatically start to clean your home. Beside, it is very easy to set schedule, just press the clock button. When you need to reschedule the time, just change the time span. There is also an edge button which is need to clean the edge of your floor. Strong battery power will give you 140 minutes cleaning time. Number 4. ECOVACS Doobot N78 Robot Vacuum Cleaner with Direct Suction, Sensor Navigation for Pet Hair, Fur, Allergens, Thin Carpet, Hardwood and Tile Floors. Modern people always to try to test new technology. As this reason, the popularity of robot vacuum is increasing day by day. The ECOVACS Doobot N78 make its positions as the top robot vacuum cleaner for those people who have pets and tile floors. And always need to clean pet poos and hair. With a gorgeous exterior and a great technology. So you need more explanation why you need to buy the best one. When you select spot cleaning mode, then the vacuum cleaner will spiral around the same area for 3 to 4 minutes. That will make you sure that there is no dust on the floor. Also, the robot vacuum works at a speed of 0.26 meters every second, and it can continuously work 110 minutes on a single full charge. Number 5. iRobot Braava Jet 240 Robot Mop. In robot vacuum industry, iRobot is well reputed and respected brand. This robot vacuum cleaner is not only an ordinary cleaning machine, also an innovative mopping system that can help you to get clean and shining tile floors. Moreover, it has also great performances on hardwood floor and stone floors, and it will give you extra relief that you don't need to mop your floor after vacuuming. This iRobot Braava Jet 240 Robot Mop has great feature which can blow your mind. Now I am going to discuss about it. For dry cleaning, it's easily clean the room once with little overlap. But for the wet cycle cleaning everything needs twice, and wet mopping uses extra water and goes over it all 3 times, striking the lower part of the product's area range as a effect of the extra passes.